Hey guys, so welcome back to your daily entertainment bars right here on Odatejish TV. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. And so don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Straight to today's bars, you have apologize to Guru or I will drop a diss track for you in 3 days. Patapaa wants Kuami Eugene. Yes, a controversial Ghanaian musician Patapaa has cautioned Kuami Eugene to quickly come out and apologize to veteran rapper Guru or face his rage. Yes, so Patapaa gave the warning while adding his voice to the ongoing issue between Kuami Eugene and Guru when he was interviewed on Joy Prime's morning show. Yes, so he told the host Kuami Eugene that what Kuami Eugene did was very disrespectful. According to the One Corner hitmaker, even if Kuami Eugene wanted to turn down an opportunity to work with Guru on a song, he shouldn't have publicly disrespected the rapper on social media. Patapaa, who mentioned many examples of features involving old artists and new ones in the Ghanaian music industry, which has produced great results, explained that Kuami Eugene has even benefited from such collaborative works and cited the Keche feature. Justice Amos is known in real life for warning Kuami Eugene that he should go and apologize to Guru or else he, Patapaa, is releasing a full diss track aimed at him. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
So called social media called church.
Okay. It doesn't show respect.
Okay.
Because Obashe Guru or Blafo senior Kasiabo Pemuka senior or Blafo na Guru Wayendum. From there na Blafo and so the staff for the it's if you say Guru catch your Blafo say no me Yenjum no. That time no Blafo will last you. Into Nimbano, Sako dear Quakesi and Boji or the Guru Sudeba or on the kind of amount. But respect.
Okay.
One young Juma, any just a could try it to social media.
Okay.
For grouping in the massy. Because we young lay a hit on the catcher one to me away. Catcher switching Kwami. At the end of the day, no S-Mass no, and your Kwami Eugene or the bush show more than catcher.
Okay. Your time means we have to be going.
Where they?
Yeah.
But I come here, won't. Painful now. Who na soon say on show say was social media. Want to know if you don't go panic. Okay. And yes, I'm going to for me money 3 days. Me so make this no because already know the buy or the IMA.
And so this is the point I'm very retaliating.
3 days because on to can't.
Don't man Kuami Eugene 3 days.
Remember next time because it doesn't show respect.
Okay. Patapaa,
we'll go paying in the massy.
Only why I feel that massive brave. Thank you so much.
For coming. That mind and yes,
Patapaa,
I should not listen to one of the young paying for.
Okay, so that's